Tara, samahan niyo ako here sa Puso Village. This is a food hall with so many choices. Syempre, here in Cebu, hindi mawawala ang lechon, and lechon. Kaya, let's have only lechon for 298 pesos. Magkakatabi yan, so pili na lang kayo. The best lechon, 3 puso, only lechon, and then 1 soda. What I like about Cebu lechon is it's flavorful even without sauce. Every refill is 100 grams and nakaapat lang naman ako nabalik. I also had the Tropic Monster juice na watermelon chia for 130 pesos. And for dessert, Isla Halo Halo is the best choice. They use ice cream instead of shaved ice and milk, kaya sobrang creamy and sweet. Sobrang dami pa talagang masarap itry, kaya lang super busog na. Until next time, Puso Village, enjoy!